I'm going to make a grounded video out of Mametchi and Lovelitchi. Done. Now let's see the grounded video.
Mametchi and Lovelitchi, you are grounded for cheating on a test.
But we didn't do anything wrong.
I agree with Mametchi.
We don't care, you both are grounded for nothing. Go to your rooms right now.
Now let's upload the video to YouTube. Alright. Now let's see if I get more likes than dislikes. Uh-oh. I got more dislikes than likes. Oh no. My mom is going inside my room.
Chainsaw, how dare you make a grounded video out of Mametchi and Lovelitchi? That's it, you are grounded for 4 days. Go to bed now.
Wow.